Good morning, 10th class. Today we will discuss about the Mendel's laws. Mendel has given two laws that are law of independent assortment and law of segregation. Now we will discuss these laws one by one. Firstly, law of independent assortment. This law depends on the dihybrid cross. It means from the dihybrid cross, Mendel postulated that inheritance of factors controlling a particular trait in an organism are independent of the other. It means what the trait they acquire is not dependent on the another. Next is the law of segregation. Mendel postulated that there are pair of unit. These are factors controlling each character. One inherited from each parent. Each parent means one character from the mother and one character from the father. These factors are the carriers of hereditary information. Means hereditary information जो पेरेंट से ऑफस्प्रिंग में ट्रांसफर होती है वो इन्हीं फैक्टर्स की वजह से होती है. At the same time of gamete formation, these factors segregates so that each gamete receives only one factor of each character. It means they receive one factor. Uh, for example, that is the height, either the tall or the dwarf. One character, each character, one correct factor is achieved, receives from one parent. That is known as the law of segregation. Now, how do traits get expressed? Traits अपने आप को express कैसे करती है? Mechanism of heredity. DNA present in each cell is the hereditary material. It means DNA is the hereditary material which is present in each cell. It is the information source in this cell for making proteins. It is now well known that specific segment of DNA having specific sequence of nucleotides provides information for proteins is known as the gene. In fact, the genes determine everything about an organism. It means they control all the traits of the organisms. Now, contribution of genetics material by both the parents. According to Mendel's interpretation, both parents, mother and father, both contribute equally to the DNA of the progeny during sexual reproduction. Also, both parents help in determining the traits in the progeny. In other words, we can also say that both parents contribute a copy each of same genes and both male and female gametes. Therefore, have only one set of all the. Now, we will discuss about the sex determination. How the sex we determine of a newborn baby. Actually, we have 46 chromosomes. It means 23 pair of chromosomes, in which 22 pairs means 44 chromosomes are the autosomes and one pair is the sex chromosomes. The mechanism by which the sex of an individual is determined as it begins life is known as the sex determination. Out of 46, 44 pairs, 44 chromosomes are autosomes, which are common in both male and female. But one pair, that is XX in female and XY in males. If female contains two similar, that is XX chromosomes, if a sperm carrying X chromosome fertilizes an ovum, it means it depends on the male's sperms. If the X chromosome fertilizes the ovum, then it carries the the offspring will be girl with XX chromosome. And if the sperm carrying Y chromosome fertilizes the ovum carrying X chromosome, then offspring will be boy with XY. It means in both the cases, X chromosomes comes from the ovum and either X or Y chromosomes comes from the. See in this diagram, male has 44 chromosomes, 22 pairs and XY, that is the sex determination chromosomes, and 44 chromosomes are the autosomes. In females, that is XX, sperms के लिए XY and ovum के लिए XX chromosome. When they fertilizes, 50% chances is of girls and 50% chances of the boys. Role of environment in sex determination. Sex determination is sometimes regulated by environmental factors also. In some animals, the temperature at which fertilized egg is kept determines whether the animals developing in the egg will be a male or female. First example is of turtle. In this species, high incubation temperature above 33 degree Celsius result in development of female progeny, whereas below 28 degree Celsius produce only the males. And second example is of lizard. In this species, high incubation temperature results in male progeny, while a temperature below 28 degrees Celsius produces only females. In other animals such as snails, individuals can change sex, indicating that sex is not genetically determined. Thank you. Have a nice day.